instead of doing a project today, I'm just gonna go around the house and do some random decluttering. I already decluttered this, and it occurred to me that I should show you this. I have talked about how I do random decluttering, you know, when I'm cleaning the house. Okay, so I was putting away cat food and stuff that we got days ago, and some of it was still on the counter and stuff. So this needs to be reorganized about once a month. It just gets a mess. So I organized it all. I have got these like pie-shaped things. It's just, when I take it out of the box, it's just easier. And then there's all the boxes that I decluttered that were in here, and I opened them and put them all organized. And then these are all the cat food. We have like a month's worth. So this I'm going to get rid of because this is old. And Kirby and Callie were not eating it, and it's probably way too old. So that's gonna go. And to tell you the truth, I think I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of these containers too, because they've been in here for like 2 years, and I didn't need them for leftovers and stuff. So why would I need them now? So I'm going to clean them and donate them and get rid of them. So we're not currently using this, but if we go on vacation, yeah, I just don't like to fill this up, because then the cats will eat endless amounts of dry food. And so yeah, so that's all organized. And all right, so that's good to go. Okay, guys, remember on Thursdays, my friend Karen at This Mainer Mom and my friend Dee at Dee Lovely Life will also be decluttering. So once you're done watching my video, you're going to want to go over to their channel and watch their video too. And also, do me a favor, go check out Sunday Dawn at the Helpful Home. She has been on a little hiatus because of some health issues, but she's back now and she's doing decluttering videos. I think you will really like her. She has a beautiful, soothing voice, and I think you will enjoy her videos. So go check it out. I am donating these two measuring things too, because I decluttered my measuring cups a long time ago, and I have enough. So they were inside of these containers. So this is filling up for the 1 box challenge. Plus those 2 pillows too, but they won't fit in here. So that's that. And this can be recycled. All right, so speaking of that, I like these rectangular containers. Now this one is broken. Do I really need it? Should I buy a new top for it? I think I'm gonna get rid of it. And then these are extras. Lids. Okay. Yeah. And I have this one. I prefer, I keep dropping my towel. I prefer to use these for leftovers and stuff, but sometimes I have something too big, maybe watermelon or something. I actually prefer the rectangular ones and want to get rid of those, but I'm going to keep them for now. We shall see. So, yeah, I don't think I have any more in the dishwasher, which I'm in the middle of doing dishes. Yeah, there's no, let's see what's in the fridge for containers. So, yeah, look, there's 1, 2, yeah, see, look, what I prefer to use, again, these, and I always can use mason jars too, so that is plenty. Now, should I get rid of the round ones or not? I mean, you can only fit so much in your refrigerator, and there's no way I'm fitting all this. I guess I'm gonna get rid of 2 more. I think. All right, I'm gonna keep this one top, because the one small container that fits this is in the refrigerator, and it has a clear top, and I really don't like it, so I'm going to keep that. we got here? So this is ridiculous. This is an extra basket that I'm not currently using. That doesn't need to be. That's just an excuse to have more stuff. And then this too is got stuff in it. This I'm going to take to my sister to see if she can make some valances. And then this is a crochet project. I can put that with my crochet stuff. Oh, and this, oh, there it is. Do you remember my video? And I said I didn't know where that was. So, and I can donate. Actually, nobody's going to want that. I could probably throw that away and then put the hammer away and the tape away. Yeah, I really need to find a spot for all the stuff I decluttered in here. So, all right, so this is stuff that I decluttered last one box challenge, and it still never went to my sister. That blanket and that piece of material on the socks belong to the littles. Yeah. I know, some of you are going to say, put it in my car. But the thing is, sometimes I don't go anywhere for a whole week, and then we'll be in the hot car for a whole week. So, no, that's not going to work. It gets really hot in Florida, and I don't know what it will do to material and that kind of stuff. So, that's a no. But it's better in here as I go out the door. I do want to, maybe I'll keep a bag here for donations. No, it'll be too heavy. Actually, if I play this game right, this would have been fine, because you really should just put stuff in there for a month. And after the month, at the end of the month, take some stuff to the Goodwill. Well, this has been for 2 months. And y'all know I'm terrible about taking it to Goodwill because the YouTuber problems. So there's that. So I need to just start over again. So I'll do it again in October, but I'll just take it to Goodwill. November, take it to Goodwill. And then at the end of December, I'm doing another one box challenge. So I'll just show you what I got rid of that month, I think. That's what I'm going to do. Because 3 months worth of stuff is going to be. Okay, yep. And I'll show you what I was going to do. Because hubby has been cleaning out his closet. But I'm not really going to show it to you because he doesn't want me to. So all of those, I put like keepsake and stuff, bins in there. Well, he needed some room, so back in here. But I am not in the mood to do this today. So on another video, I will take all of these bins. These were all in his closet. It's like keepsake stuff, and I need to condense. Look, this is half full. Don't even know if we need it. Some of it's my son, so that's a problem. And so then there's all these. And I don't know what's up there. And I have 3 more of these to use to put it in and make it look prettier, because I don't like those things. Yeah. So that's a project for another day. I'm not in the mood to do that today. I'll just take all these bins out and put them on the, that's my plan, to put them on the bed and go through them and see if I can't condense them. Like, what is even in there? Yeah, see, that's like half full too. That's my son's keepsake stuff. So definitely, I think I could probably condense at least half. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17. I think, yeah, 17. So hopefully I can reduce it to, what do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4 of the pink. That's my goal, to only have the pink bins. 4 of the pink bins, but they're smaller too. And then this is 3, or is it 4? 3, and that's it. Those might be clothes, or is it keepsakes? I don't know. Y'all find out next time. Not happening today. not get the Monica closet straightened up. Look what happened. Hubby put this suitcase in here. It's filling up with crap. Is to put a box in here to throw the stuff to donate in here. Oh boy. I might put those in the garage. Put in it. I said we could get rid of this humongous, I don't even know if you can see it. Humongous suitcase. We do not need it. And there's a bunch of bins back there that I'm not currently using because I have decluttered so much that I have all these empty bins. So there's that. And now here's 2 more bins that I will not gonna get rid of these. I will make a use for them. Actually, probably in my craft room. Yeah. Okay, I'm hoping that this could fit under that chair. So I'm going to put all of my spring floral stuff. And some of you suggested I just put it into the garage in my seasonal bins. I don't know. I feel like they get buggy and dusty. And so they just stay nicer inside the house. So I'm going to do that and go through this. Because like this basket feels like it's just way too big. And it's annoying me under this desk, so yeah.
Hey guys, so you don't have to do a huge project to do decluttering. Sometimes decluttering just means going around the house and picking things up and putting them back where they belong and finding a home for them and all those things. So, you know, those things need to be done too on a regular basis.
Was going to get rid of some stuff, but I ended up not. But I did find some loose pieces, and I was going to get rid of them, but I decided not to because I tend to use them like for a tiered tray or a tray on a coffee table and stuff like that. And then these are for like my front door and some other things. So that's like spring, although there's the cotton stems are in there. I will use them for Christmas. So I'm going to see if that fits under there. And then put this in this bag and put that back, I guess, under my desk. Dang it. It doesn't fit. I'll have to think of something else. Well, this feels redundant, but this is where it's going to live until I figure something else out. At least it's separated. But I don't like that under there. I don't think it'll fit under there. I need to find, I don't know. I'll figure it out eventually. But for now, that's just what's going to happen. Okay, I actually put the greens in there and took this out of this cabinet and put them in here in this basket. I don't know if it'll stay like that, but that's the solution. Now I need to either get rid of that or save it for storage of something. I don't know that I need it. Alright, I'm going to put that up there for now. If I don't find a use for it in a couple weeks, a couple months, then I'll get rid of it. Not getting rid of this. It matches some baskets in my bedroom.
Decided to switch out my basket here in the armoire, and I'm going to use this basket for on the back of the toilet of the bathroom upstairs and hubby's man cave for storage of toilet paper. If you remember last week, I decluttered under my kitchen sink. If you don't watch that video, I will list it down below. But also I wanted to give you a little update on these little clear plastic bins that were falling off the inside of my cabinet. I used a bunch of double-sided sticky tape, a lot of double-sided sticky tape, and put some things in them that were lightweight so they didn't fall off. And so far it has held up. And then I reorganized the cabinet to the side here and got rid of a few things, and yeah, just reorganized it just real quick. It only took me like 5 minutes, and it looks much better now. Okay guys, as a reminder, I film my decluttering videos on Wednesday, which is anti-procrastination Wednesday. So I'm going to show you an anti-procrastination task. So those kitchen mats that I put in the tub 2 weeks ago were still there. So I'm going to clean those and then clean the tub, and then the kids' toys, the littles, when they came over, were still in there. So I needed to wash them and put them away. So I'm just doing a spot mop because I do not feel like getting out the mop bucket right now, but I want to make sure the area where I'm going to put the kitchen mats are clean. So you can find these on Amazon. I will put a link down below. It really does save my back. I really have an industrial one that was from my hubby's work when he was working at the facility, and he's working from home now. So it is, I don't know if I can find that on Amazon or not. I will see if I can find something similar, because I've had both of these for a while, and again, it really does save my back. My back's actually been hurting the last 2 weeks since I haven't been using them. So stop procrastinating and get those things done. If you need some encouragement to get some anti-procrastination tasks done, I have a free printable for you. Print out this printable and write down your task, and just do 1 or 2 tasks every Wednesday or whenever, and get it done in the month of September and forever. Hey, if you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to comment below if you're new to my channel. Click my face right there and subscribe. And don't forget to go on over to Dee's, Karen's, and Sunday's channels and watch your decluttering and start decluttering now. Do it now.